Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix MySQL shutdown unexpectedly, XAMPP error. Alright, so let's begin with the video.
So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the search bar and type in Task Manager, then click on it. Once Task Manager is open, scroll down until you find an application called MySQL. I don't have it showing on my system right now, but once you see MySQL, right-click on it and select End Task. Make sure that task is fully closed. After doing that, go back to the XAMPP control panel and click on Start, and in most cases, the problem should be fixed. If that method doesn't work for you, then move on to the second method. Head back to the search bar, type in CMD, and run it as administrator. Once Command Prompt opens, type in SFC /scan now and press Enter. Let the scan run completely, as this may take some time. After the scan is finished, restart your computer, and once your system boots back up, the issue should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix MySQL shutdown unexpectedly XAMPP error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.